update. I had to hike up a mountain to just, well, not a big mountain, just more like a hill. But I wasn't too tired, and I kept up with a lot of people who were a lot younger than me. That's a good sign. Now, I've been taking a rock up this stairs, but what I haven't been doing is no rock and then running them very much. So let's see how that goes. First one, not too bad, but I can't run down the stairs. I can run up them. If I run down them, sometimes I worry I'm gonna bail, and that'd be bad. Let's run up another one. And that was unpleasant, which is perfect, but not too hard. Now, rest of the routine. If you don't dislike it a little, it's probably too easy. Only pour a little bit of the coffee in at a time, which gives me time to do the next part of the workout. How are those 2,000 push-ups coming? Terribly. So, I'm only able to do about 30 to 60 push-ups a day. If I wanted to do 2,000 in February, I should not have gotten an eye operation. And I shouldn't have gotten hurt. And I should have been more disciplined. But this begs the question, what can I learn? Well, I can do 10s for push-ups a lot easier than I can do 30. And I have to keep pouring water into the coffee. So why not just do push-ups between the coffee pours? I think that's 10. Okay. And then let the water drain and rest for a second. Whew. I'm gonna go put my phone down and do 10 more in a second. But rest. Just for a second. I'm so warm. Okay, 10 more. As the stone carry got easier, I turned it into running 5 times up the stairs. Still have the stones, still will carry them. Not today though. And as the push-ups were too hard, I broke it up from trying to get 30 in one shot right now, while I'm doing my morning routine into 3 sets of 10. Because my techniques change doesn't mean my identity changed. I am a fit dad. And this summer I am going to summit some peaks with my kids and my wife. Catch you later.